Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Google Sheets into n8n using triggers, beginner guide. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Make sure your data is organized in a clear and consistent manner. Next, access your n8n account. If you do not have an account, create one by signing up. Once logged in, navigate to the Workflows section in n8n. Click on Create New Workflow to start a fresh workflow. In the Workflow editor, search for the Google Sheets trigger node. Drag the Google Sheets node into your workflow space. Click on the Google Sheets node to configure it. You will need to authenticate your Google account for n8n. Follow the prompts to grant necessary permissions. Once authenticated, choose the Watch Rows trigger option. In the node settings, select the specific Google Sheet you want to monitor. Next, define the specific worksheet within the Google Sheet. Set the options for when to trigger the workflow, such as when a new row is added or updated. Now, add an additional node to your workflow. Select the type of action you want to take when the trigger occurs, such as storing the data or sending a notification. Connect the Google Sheets trigger node to the new action node by dragging the line between them. Make sure to configure the action node with the appropriate options for your needs. Once everything is set up, test your workflow for errors. If everything is functioning correctly, activate your workflow by switching it to active mode. Your Google Sheets data is now connected to n8n using triggers. You will receive actions in real time as the data in your Google Sheet changes. This setup is now ready for your automation needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.